There, dearies. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why I call myself a soul protector and not just an exorcist. Before I get started, if you like this content, feel free to like, subscribe, or share this channel. As always, I'm open to comments down below. I look forward to hearing from you. So, why I call myself a soul protector and not just an exorcist. While soul protection does involve the removal of unwanted energies in your field, that's not all that it is. Soul protection also involves soul restoration. There's another video on that, soul protection versus soul restoration. But soul protection involves soul restoration, which means enhancing your aura strength, ensuring that all parts of your soul are brought into your soul energy, ensuring that everything that needs to be removed so that your energy is fully your own. So there's a restorative aspect to this work too. It's not just exorcism, and it's certainly not exorcism the way it's been portrayed in movies. It's a very quiet, non-invasive process, and it is not anything like the way it's been dramatized in Hollywood. And I prefer the term soul protector because the angels and archangels, for those of us who are soul protectors, they have invited us to use that term. They themselves do not use the term exorcist. They refer to us as soul protectors. And that seems like a pretty good reason to me to use that term as well. So that is what I have for you today. If you have questions or ideas for future topics, feel free to put them in the comments. As always, I invite you to like or comment or subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.